Unseen comprehensions is one of the most important parts in English language. When we talk about English language, basically we talk of English grammar, but it's not like that. According to ICC format, if it is a question paper of 100 marks or 80 marks, 80 marks question paper contains 20 marks grammar, 40 marks composition and 20 marks unseen comprehension. That means 25% of the marks is solely related to unseen comprehension, and there are several methods, specific method, not several, specific method to go through this unseen comprehension part. It should not be like that we read the passage and answer the question. Comprehension stands for the ability to read and to write, but reading and writing cannot be done without understanding the topic. So you have to read, you have to understand, and you have to write. Writing answer is a kind of art here. Simply we cannot write the answer by closing our eyes. We have heard the term point to the point answer, and here the answers are going to be to the point. The point which are needed to be discussed here. So today's discussion is unseen comprehension. You are provided with 3 unseen comprehension topics, and those topics you need to read by your own. These are sample topics. It is not that you will get these things only. Then it will not be unseen. It is only passage. So you will get such passage which you might have not seen before. So here you go, unseen comprehension. The unseen comprehension or comprehension passage. In both we call it is a matter of great importance, because when we talk about English language, we talk about grammar, we talk of composition, and also we talk of comprehension. So English language comprises of all these 3 prominent patterns. So we have to be very careful while dealing with this one. Often we go through the grammatical parts and I think our language work is done. It is not at all like that. We have to be extremely careful while dealing with English language. Grammar consists only 25% of the total marks, while composition consists of 50% of the total marks, and composition consists of 25% again. So if it is an exam of 80 marks, out of 80 marks you will have 20 marks grammar, 40 marks composition and 20 marks for 20 marks for comprehension. So we have to be very careful while dealing with comprehension part. Now what we should do and we should not do in this part, that is a matter of discussion today. Now when you get the passage, we have to read it. We need 2 readings. 2 readings required. So what we require to, namely first and second. First reading will be very fast, while second reading will be very slow. 2 times you have to read the passage. And if we talk technically, then the speed of fast reading should be 110 words per minute, while second reading, which is going to be slow, it should be some 60 to 70 words per minute. So this is the rule, but it cannot be done like this. For fast reading you should take hardly 4 minutes, while for the slow reading you should take some 6 minutes. So in this way you should study. So 10 minutes you should give to read the passage so that you can understand it, because comprehension means the ability to read and write. But you have to do what? Read, understand and write. So read, understand and write. These 3 things are required. Now how to deal with this one? The first thing you will get in an unseen comprehension passage, you will get 3 sets of questions. Question number A, question number B and question number C. The method is not only for class 8, it is the ICSE pattern that we have in class 9 and 10 also. So you should go through this pattern carefully. In question number A, what comes? It comes word meanings. Number B, few short question will be there. And last, a summary will be there. So what you have to do here? You will get word meanings 2 or 3, and you have to give exact word meaning. You will get 5 question, it will be 5 into 2 equals to 10 marks, and summary you will get 8 marks. So what it will be, either 20, it should be 20, not 21, it should be 20. So 8 marks summary, you have to summarize the passage in around 50 words. Be careful here. You have to be very careful while summarizing that one. It should not cross the limit of 50. It can be less than that, but it should not be more than that. It sounds very easy, but practically it is very hard to summarize a huge passage in 50 words. And the passage you will get, it will be a 450 to 500 words passage. The passage you will get, that is 450 to 500 words passage. So you have to be extremely careful here. Next, while dealing with question B, that is short questions, you have to be extremely careful. You should not write long. You should not write long. It should be brief and to the point. You have to take the points from the text and you have to answer this question. You cannot exaggerate. So what you should not do, don't exaggerate. That is totally discarded from your learning. That you should not do. So by doing these things, you can write properly in unseen comprehension part. While writing the word meaning, you have to be careful. That comes in question number A. Word meaning. You have to be extremely careful. You have to either write in phrase or provide synonyms. So you have to, if there is any little bit of wrong, it answer will be cut off. You will get no marks there. So while going through this unseen comprehension part, this is the first one. You should be very careful. In the next video, what will you do? We'll take one in unseen comprehension topic and thoroughly go through that one, and we'll answer and we'll try to do all the possible things that we can do. So thank you everyone.